spread it out, spread it out, mosh pit, mosh pit, mosh pit, mosh pit, you. Wrap 'em up, put 'em up a hostage. Wrap 'em up, wrap 'em up, wrap 'em up, you. Jet by the coupe in the interior, ostrich, 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 you. Walk in the bank, got a meal to deposit.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Gab and I'm back with a new video for you guys. It's a different video than my usual videos. I used to make a lot of Navy videos and I'll still be making those from time to time, but I want to add some variety in here. And so this video is going to be a makeup tutorial, a really simple makeup tutorial that just gives you a nice natural look with a nice pop of color. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys like and subscribe down below. Follow me on social media and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's get started with this video. We're going to be using this Caudalie Serum Perfect something. I don't really know what it is. It was just one of those free trial things that Sephora gives you when you have those 100 points. Hey, you know, get it free something. You just put a little bit on your face. It's really light and kind of like liquidy. And you just rub that in all over. I guess it kind of works like a moisturizer. I don't really know. I just use it just so I can use it up, I guess. I don't want to waste it. So, yeah, you just rub that in. I mean, I guess it's good for if you have dry skin. I have oily skin, so I don't know. Maybe it's bad that I'm using it, but whatever. I mean, it's all good. So next we're going to be using Makeup Forever's makeup primer. This is a mattifying primer and I love, love, love this. I used to have the Smashbox Photo Shoot primer, but it just made my skin super duper oily after not even a whole day of wearing makeup. But this stuff, it really just kind of mattifies your face, so that way at the end of the day, even though my skin is still a little bit oily, but it's nowhere near as oily as the other primer would make my skin be. So this I completely love, love, love. You can get this from Sephora as well. I don't remember how much it is. Something tells me I want to say like $17 or $18, maybe 20. I'm not really sure. I don't know. But it's super good. I love it. You just rub that all over, and it's really light as well, so you really don't feel it on your face. So that's another reason why I like it. And yeah, so just gonna rub all that in. So next we're gonna get into the foundation. We've got some Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 400. I tried to show y'all, but I use my phone as my camera, so obviously it doesn't have that good focus, but I tried. You just want to put that on your beauty blender, beauty sponge, whatever it is. I think mine is a Real Techniques one. I think I got from like Target for like $3 or something. I didn't wet it before this one because I just simply didn't feel like getting up to go and wet it. But basically you just dab it all over your face. And that's really what you do, just dab it. Do not swipe. I don't know why swiping like makeup all over your face, it just doesn't come out right.
Wait a minute. 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 Wait a minute.
Alright, let's get into these eyebrows. I use the Anastasia brow pencil in the color Granite. Again, I try to show you these words on these products, but my camera is just my phone. Usually I start off with my brows before I do my foundation, but that's usually when I need my eyebrows done and I really need to use some concealer to clean them up. But since I already got my eyebrows threaded, I usually just do the foundation first and then I use the eyebrow pencil without concealer around them. So I don't really have an art to how I do my eyebrows. I kind of start from the tail and fill that in first, and then I kind of just fill in the rest all the way up to the thickest part, because my eyebrows are pretty thick, and so anything that if I use it too heavy, then it's just I have super bold eyebrows and we cannot have that. So, you know, I just fill them in just lightly with like light hair, like strokes, just to make them look as natural as possible. But I do want them kind of still to look very refined, but I still want them to have a nice natural look. So yeah, just do that. And then at the like the thickest part of my eyebrow, I try to like have that kind of like a little faded out look. I don't really know how to explain that, but y'all know what look I'm talking about, where it kind of like fades out near your nose. I don't know, but yeah, so I just basically just fill in where my eyebrow just gets a little light and just make it look as natural as possible. You can get this eyebrow pencil at Sephora. I think it's for like $18. I don't know. And it has a very long use before you have to get it again. So love, love, love this product.
Wait a minute. Wait, 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 wait a minute.
So let's get into this concealer. This is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Suede. It took me a really long time to figure out how I could use this product because it just seemed like it was just not the color for me, even though it did come in the trio for my shade. But now I figure I did this all backwards. I should have done this before I put the foundation on. But this color really does work really well to hide my dark spots that are on my face. And I really like it because it's not a liquid, so everything just kind of, you don't really have to do much blending. Even I still kind of blend it a little bit, but you really don't have to do much to blend it in. I just kind of wipe it over the dark spot and it just disappears. So I do love this product. I don't use it that often, so of course it lasts a long time for me. So since all that done, my basic face is done. We're gonna get into the eyes. These are two Real Technique brushes that I got from Ulta, I think, for like $5. And we're gonna be using the Morphe. I think this is a 35B palette. I don't know. And we'll be using this orange color in here, and this black color. I got this palette for like $25. I love Morphe because their prices are super cheap, but they have super good products. Like this. These colors are super pigmented. You don't need to use a lot to get the color to show up. And that's what I love the most about this product. And there's just so many colors in this palette that you can play with and just kind of experiment with to go with any outfit, because there's probably a color to go with every single piece of clothing you have in your closet. So I just take the orange and I start from the inside of my eyelid and I just kind of do like a packing motion where I just kind of pack the color on top just to get it to really get in there. So, and then I kind of just swipe it around after I've packed on about a layer or two, just because I do like my colors to pop. Because I don't know, I think because I'm a lighter skin tone, this orange just kind of like, it kind of starts to blend in with my skin, so I really have to kind of pack it on there. And but you can see that the color, just, you can see it on my eyelid like immediately, almost like it just pops. And that's what I really love about this palette. And I'm probably gonna get some more Morphe palettes, I don't know, but I really do love this palette. The colors are just so bright and beautiful. So with the outside color, I'm going to use the other brush with this black color, kind of I guess do like a smoky eye-ish look. When really in reality, it's just the shirt I was wearing was just orange and black, so I just want to do orange and black. I haven't gotten any tape yet, so here we are doing some ghetto DIY things. We're using a applesauce like pack thing that I love to eat, and we're using that to give me that guideline for the black. Don't judge. I just haven't gone to the store to get any tape yet, but I mean, honestly, any straight edge will do. It really doesn't matter what it is as long as it gets that line for you, you know what I'm saying? So you just kind of fill that in, kind of make it like a gradient with that orange. And you really don't need to do any blending, obviously, with these colors because, I mean, it's orange and black. Black, you really don't, I mean, you kind of have to blend a little bit, but not with these colors. They kind of just, you know what I'm saying? It just kind of blends on its own. and you just want to do the same thing with the other side. I think I did end up making one side, it was a little higher than the other, but I basically just cleaned it up with a little bit of concealer because I don't have any makeup remover wipes. I don't know why I've never invested in those. I just haven't. So anytime I make an error with some eyeshadow or eyeliner, anything like that, I just use my concealer because concealer conceals everything, you know what I'm saying? So um, we're just going to use this liquid concealer. And I get this concealer from the beauty supply store. Mariah put me onto this concealer. I used to use Smashbox, and I used to like, it just used to go so fast, and it was like 20 something dollars, and I could only really use it for like maybe a good month and a half, which is really not a lot of time. You know, I don't really use makeup often, so the fact that it was going so quickly was just really annoying to me. But this concealer I've had for at least a few months, and I think I'm just now getting to the point where I feel like I need to buy some more, you know? But it's like every time I think I need to buy more, I just squeeze the bottle and more comes out. So I'm just like, well, I'm gonna just keep squeezing this bottle until nothing comes out, which may be too late. But you know what I'm saying? Live life on the edge. You feel me? YOLO. So we're just cleaning up this eye here. I didn't really get it perfect, but honestly, who cares? Um, but yeah, we just kind of dab that concealer around, and you can kind of see it kind of goes away. Um, so yeah, this concealer though is Pro Conceal by LA Girl, and it is the color Almond. Again, I did try to show you guys the name on the back, but it is all blurry because this is not a professional camera. So the last but not least, we're going to get, actually not the last, but next thing is the eyeliner. And I love this eyeliner, capital Love. This is by Stila. It is in the color Intense Black. And I usually never use eyeliner before because my eyes are just so sensitive. They would just get red and watery every time I would use eyeliner. But this eyeliner is the truth. Like, I mean, there's no red eye, no watery eye. This stuff stays forever. You know, I can accidentally rub my eyes or something and it'll still be in place. It does not move until you are ready to wash it off, and it can last all day and it'll look just as how you did when you put it on in the morning. So this is why I really like this product. It is a little pricey. It's about 20 something dollars. I think it's like $22 from Sephora, but I'm telling you, it is worth it and it lasts forever. Like, I've had this for a couple of months now, and I don't think it's going to run out anytime soon. So, I mean, if you ask me, it's worth the money. I mean, because it's really hard to find a really, really good eyeliner out here that really does what it says it's going to do. But this one is the truth. I swear by it. So I really don't have like I don't know how to explain how I do my eyeliner. I just kind of do it. I kind of do like a little dotted line across my eyelid, sort of kind of to connect, you know, and then, you know, connect it across the eyelid. And then at the end for the tail, usually I like to go for like a bold look. I will just kind of draw the line, you know, from my eyelid out to where my eyeshadow stops. And then from the top, the top of that tail, I will drag it back to my eyelid and then fill all that space in. You can't really see because I'm really far away and basically my mirror is blocking all of this. But don't really use what I do to do eyeliner. I kind of just do it. I don't know. Sometimes it comes out good, sometimes it comes out bad. So, you know, I'm just not going to have a close-up of this. Maybe another video, I don't know. But yeah. So, basically, this is the completed look. Well, I don't want to say completed because I still got to get the lip gloss. But that's how the eyes look. They look pretty nice, I think. And then the last step is the Fenty Beauty, the gloss. I forgot the name of it, but y'all already know. I think it's like $18 or whatever. Love this lip gloss. It's not really sticky and it smells super good, which I love. and it's time for me to get some more, but I've had it for a few months, so I'm impressed with the longevity because I used to wear this a lot. And you don't really need a lot to, get those lips popping. You know what I'm saying? Little mama popping vibes, you see that? You can just see it from across the room. Like, dang, who is that? That's me. And that's the completed look. Thanks for watching. See ya.